Hey, where's the tree you got from Seibels?
Right in front of you. Look down.
Right in front of you. Tipsy right now.
Oh. Have you named it?
No, I think we're going to have to give it some time. You know, kind of get to know it before we think of a name.
Familiarize
yourself with the
This is
personality.
for what birthday, Dad?
39.
39, oh. In 93, huh?
39 years old.
might be she's all of 39.
39 wearing a little
What
fit.
does those balloons say behind you?
Those yellow balloons?
It's called Jack in the Box. Real wild.
Where'd Grandma go? Did she? Oh, I didn't see her.
Come out of the school. Those are things.
Hey, you got some rocks here.
Yeah. I gotta finish my path. Right now?
Right. Probably
Happy
will need.
Father's Day.
We probably will need some more rocks. If you was hanging around, we'll
Gladiolas?
probably be hauling rocks.
Hi, Dad. Just let's get this on videotape that one child was here with you on Father's Day in 1993.
And don't forget, you're going to get rewarded.
And it wasn't just because I knew I'd get presents if I came up this weekend either.
And
Just
got
'cause
to
your
play
birthday's
golf
next
in the
week.
rain. That's right. Just don't get these opportunities every day.
If they only knew what they were missing.
And now we could go out on our pontoon boat and have a party.
Yes.
Sure. Let's do
Mom will
that.
take a video and send it to those other kids, and that'll straighten them out.
All right. Yes.
Tulips all around, irises.
There you go. Just keep my eye open
Oh,
for
these are
Dutch
pretty.
things for you.
Just rocks.
What? Dutch
Just
rocks?
rocks.
Dutch rocks?
Dutch rocks. Watch for poison ivy.
Yep. What are all those roses there?
Yeah, I just bought, Louise gave me that one that's planted, and we bought those. They were $4 at Walmart.
Well, right now I'm just putting the lilacs and the evergreens, all this stuff around the edge. Then we'll start the other part.
What'd you have?
Those little violets.
Violas?
Violas. Got the blue ones and purple and white and
Little wood ducks? I'm talking to the camera, Melvin.
Should I go get them?